Hi viewers, welcome to our channel BSP Voice. Yes, today we are coming with a new kind of activity, a speech on national and international affairs. Today the first candidate we are bringing to our channel is Nitisha Patil, who is a student of BTech. She is doing her BTech second year from Devi Raj Institute of Technology, and who is a class representative and very active student of the class and the college too. And she secured very good marks. At the same time, she is very enthusiastic to speak on the social issues and other activities. So I would like to introduce Nitisha Patil to our BSP Voice. So Voice with Bitla. It is not an interaction or conversation. She would like to give a presentation on women empowerment. Let us see. Of course, all of you know that the women empowerment is very important these days, especially in India. If you see, European countries have been advanced in this regard. When it comes to us, the women empowerment is really somewhat low, we can say. So here, Nitisha Patil would like to speak on the right topic, women empowerment. Nitisha, welcome to our channel. Hi.
Hi, hi sir, and hi everyone. I'm Nitisha Patil. Today I'm going to present. I want to give a short speech on talk about women empowerment. Before starting foremost thing, I want to wish Happy Teachers Day to my Bitla sir, who is very special in our college,
Thank
and
you.
I want yes sir. Um, Okay, I want to going to present women empowerment. There are various in our one can empower women. The individuals and the government must both come together to make it happen. Education for the girls must be made compulsory so that women can become an illiterate to make for their life to for more comfort and making their own life themselves. Women must be given opportunities in every field, irrespective of gender. Moreover, the most given the more equal pay, we can empower women by abolishing child marriages, various other systems, and various must programs to be held where they just to be taught skills to find themselves in case of the financial crisis. Most importantly, the shame of this days is divorce and abuse. These must be stopped, and these should be avoided in the country. So many of women can stay abusive relationships that she want to stuck to those relationships even though she is not interested because of the fear because of the fear of the society. Parents before that parents should teach their daughters that you will make her to encourage them in the every field to make herself to face the society. I think so. When coming to what is mean by the woman empowerment, it is nothing all about we are giving a special rights to women. It is all about that leaving and giving a priority to their rights itself. We are not giving extra rights to themselves. We are leaving her to live her life. That is mean by the empowerment. For the foremost thing, women must be equal opportunities in the every field, and many of when compared to and this the period where woman is facing a lot of problems in the society. um, the what my most thing I want to ask you one thing: what defines a woman? And what everyone thinks, what if I ask the question, what defines a woman? What defines a woman? I want to know what society says to this. What society want to say this? What woman defines, or what defines a woman? Everyone says that if particularly we put the question in the question this. everyone says that woman is all about a shade of pink with a dark lipstick, with a high eye heel, etc., etc. But she is not what you think. She defines about the courage. She is one of the sacrifices of everyone in the family and everywhere. She used to sacrifice. She is the symbol of sacrifice and courage. I want to say you one thing. Before that, when everyone in the house says that to their sons, please, son, if sons cries in the home, the parent says that, please, son, won't cry. Please won't cry, because boys won't cry. They won't say that, please, sons, don't make girls cry. This is a major issue where we find in every house, not in even in my case also. They won't say that don't make girls cry. They usually says that boys won't don't cry. The boys, because boys won't cry. They doesn't teach that. They won't teach that boy don't make girls cry. This is the major issue which you find in the childhood days. Um, when again what can you define a woman, or what does it mean be a woman? And she is refers to an adult human being who is biologically a female that is capable of bearing a offspring, and she gives a birth to us. So I thank, before that I thanks to my parents, because even though they know I am a girl, they raised me, they supported me, and they given freedom to me. And I owe to my education those who fought education for women. And I support I thankful to each and everyone who supported me in the society, knowing that I am a girl, even though they know that I am a girl. They, in rural areas, we may mostly see women are make they put they're forcing women to stop their education, and uh, they're moving to women, and they're giving the responsibilities that she won't go out, and she want to do the thing, you want to manage the house, you want to cook, like somewhat, etc., etc., things. And they are making women to hardly do their responsibilities in the name of household chores, like that, etc. They are not giving not praising women, and they are not giving the education, because education is plays important role in the women development. It is right. Next, the thing I want to say, women are the even woman is also a human being. Even we too have our so we are also breathing. We too have our souls, and we too have our aspirations. Mainly, all of them woman, they think that woman is somewhat they're making women to discriminate in all the cases. But coming to these years, many years, passing years, many of the members are fought against different categories to support women, and they made us today. They made women equal to the men. So, so one simple, like for example, what women want to do, I want to say that uh, man, men and women plays a major role in the society. Don't make the woman to discriminate in the name of gender bias, female discrimination, uh, uh, and again violence, etc. So if she's if example, if she is facing some problem in front of her, she ran away and say to her father or mother or brother about the particular problem, and she use it to step back, because she has not enough guts to fight against the problem. Either it may be a problem or a person, it is depending on the situation. She used to step backward. Always she used to step backward, because the society made her to move backward. And she used to move backward, and she used to run home, and she used to inform her father or mother or brother what the guidance, etc. And she used to say the problem of her. Instead of that, in my point of view, please stand there over there, show the enough potential to fight against what, show them whether it may be a problem or a person, show what we are, what we can do. If it is done wrong, then there are many members to guide us to move forward. Either it may be a good or bad, please stand over there. We are enough fight, we have enough potential to fight against the problems, and we have to move on. We are not to still, we are not, we have to no step backward. If we step backward, society always thinks, always made women to move backward. If women stop moving backward and instead of going backward, if she used to stuck there and she used to solve her cases, her problems with her own, she move forward, and her society, even society make give courage, encourage her to move forward. In many of the great people says that if we want to make a things done, please ask women. If we want to make things said to others, ask men. So equal importance to both of here. If you want to do a something, woman can give a better guide, ideas or better things to move, to talk there and present there. If you want to say something about someone, or you have to take a decisions on something, or we have to make a decisions proper way, the men's support is needed. So man and woman plays a major role, where don't make that man is more powerful and more highlighting only the man, not a woman, is not a correct way. She has also, even we have also our souls, we should breathe, we also exist in this world. Please give importance, not giving importance to special importance, we let us give what we want. We are seeking our freedom, not any extra things we are needing at all. What rights, women rights to see what, main thing what women's right to see what means, free from free from the violence. She used to educate, she want to educate, she need own property, she need vote, she need to give equal importance in the society, she need equal importance when more men and women. I Good times will come, I know. Please, by making it as a very positive manner, we I am saying, I'm talking that I have to, even though I'm also a girl, I am not only simply came and I am not handle this all those things, whatever going situation is going. Even I have a supporters, because women need encouragement and support to move forward in their lives. They need only encourage and support, nothing that. Importance is the third thing. First thing is just encouragement and support. Because because even my parents supported me to they gave birth to me, and they give education to me, and they are giving freedom to me, so I'm enjoying very happily this. And when comparing to, when talking to our country, India is the fourth most country for the dangerous country for women speaking. Out of 10 members, six women are facing that, six women are likely to burn as a boy. Why? Still there is a supportment, still there is an encouragement, still there is a even though there is no discrimination in some cases. Even when in our country, out of 10 members, six members are facing, six members are girls wanted to born like a boy or man. Why this is why, what means these six members to born like a man? This is all about supportment and encouragement. Please live her own life. Please give freedom to her own life. Um, I think today's, as pastly, most of the past years, women are faced a lot of problems for the education, but now we can see rapid increase in the women education. So I thankful to those who fought for the women education, and I'm thankful to the parents who given birth to women even they know their child is a girl. So I simply says that men and women are equal in any criteria. Men should. I'm not portraying. I'm not giving any bad thing, or I'm not making every man as a bad. I respect to. I'm salute to those who worship women and those who support women and those who treat women like a they give them respect. I salute to those men. Please let the some of them has it even some of the people are not supporting women because of some fears. Please keep it aside. Let them live their life. If woman if once if woman is you woman is perfectly with his career, if then woman start moves. If woman start moves, then her family moves. If her family moves, village moves. Well, if village moves, country moves. So it all depends on the woman movement. So let them move. Make our country the main thing in our country from past. It is now it is rapidly changed. I think so. I don't think so, but it changed in those times compared to previous years and compared to these years. Woman is coming forward in uh, all the roles. I so I want to say, please stop discriminating. Please support women and make herself to live better life.
Oh, Nitisha, very very
I,
good
yes,
right speech presentation. Very good indeed. Actually, you have covered what women really facing these days.
yes,
We had seen many of course, here and there, every month, one or the other things, the humiliation of right to women is taking place all over.
yes. This is what, sir. Accept society accept her like a mother. They need a care like a mother. They need a support like a sister. They need to give the half of the life to their wife, but not as a. They are not accepting woman as a daughter. This is the thing from past years.
Yeah, this is one thing. Indeed, most of the parents, whenever have the
Mm.
first child as a girl, they really hesitate and afraid of whatever. I
Uh,
really like psychologically how they are matured. We don't know. But the thing is, the first child, if a girl is there, automatically they are afraid of the things.
they started fear. What happened? What to be the next child? If
Yeah,
next child is all about girl,
the first
then they will
if the first child is boy, it's okay, happy. They accept
okay happy.
the second child as a girl, okay. But if the
Mm.
first child itself is right girl, then they start afraid of what happens to the people. I don't know. In 21st century, still people afraid of the right things like that. So, what is the reason behind it? Nitisha, would you like to tell about it?
Even in the earlier from past earlier days, this situation is taking place here. When compared to very past years and decades past years ago, if there is first child is a girl, immediately family starts they somewhat type of that comfortness of the child. So
Comfort.
like somewhat
They want
mature
to.
parents accept them. Some of them are not accept,
Yeah.
and they leave the child over there because what is the reason? She's the only girl. If it is not a girl, if it is boy, then they will happily accept it.
Yeah.
But now coming to these days, when this in this case in the middle of the period also, when in the middle of the period, if girl child is taken birth as a first child in their family, they use it to accept, okay. But when it moved to the second child, either if also a second child is also a girl, then they stop. they don't want, they decided to not can any more other, and they make two of them to give they don't, the two of them don't get a freedom, and they won't give a proper education. Now these days what happened, they are interested, they are giving a support to women, but by situations of what we are facing nowadays, let this way making them to stop, this making them to in comfort to give, to raise a child, to raise a girl child
Today,
because of the situation.
yesterday we had seen one woman IPS officer. The training complete batch has come to right. The Tamil Nadu cadre IPS. Kiran Shruti. Kiran Shruti, who is an IPS officer, who was inspired by Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi was the first IPS officer of India.
Yeah.
So people are ahead in some cases, and in some states like Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Whereas it comes to our place, it's totally difficult. Why it's happening, we don't know that. So that is the reason we have to think about that.
It's all about the psychological thinking. It's not, first we have to change the mindsets of the people. So one on keep on motivating. Yes, how we can motivate in many ways, but it should come to it should come to by own. They have to think that why what happens if because
Today,
everything has an alternative in these days.
no, recently in the warheads also in the women are taking place, right? Not only in soft jobs like teaching. Earlier days actually women were given importance only in teaching. Today they are going to drive the flights, right? No, the Boeing the flights also today. But still the disparity is there in some families maybe, or in some areas. So this the emancipation has to come all over the world today. So then only the balancing will be there. And recently the court has given that here, even the girl also, or the women also have the right of property, having property rights. Not only the boys today, girls also have the right
Yes.
of property. So recently the court has given this issue also. So, so further, actually, there are many actually the acts are going to come in support of women. Even in parliament, 50% seats they are asking, right, in politics and all. So definitely it happens, but the women are really the great source for the society today. Society is built because of women support, we can say. So that is really required for us, so that we will be very happy to see that further. Definitely all happiest moments for women. What do you think of Nitisha?
Uh, will you please repeat it again, sir? Woman.
Yeah, further, definitely there will be happiest moments for women.
Yes, I hope so. If it happens, and this is the most happiest things that woman can pursue in the society, in the world. Yes, I think so. It happens because of the because it is the reason this is all happens because of the education. So in this women are educating, we can look forward most of the good days. So I said mention that good days come, the good days comes passing because by passing the old days, as a woman can pursue in the society with her rights. But what the thing what but society also should support the woman, and they should also um, make women to feel comfort.
Yes.
Giving rights and giving is nothing important, making by grabbing her comfort. We have to give comfort,
The
I
chances
think.
are very bright in future. Of course, already it is taken place all over the all over the fields, all over the departments. Also, women are given importance. At the same time, in future too, definitely we are going to see the many changes in the support of women. Women. Thank you so much, Nitisha, for giving a very good speech and inspiring for many people. Thank you so much for your really very good time spending here. So this is our Nitisha Patil, who has given speech on women empowerment. which is really very good. We'll see further. Many topics would come on our BSP Voice with Bitla. I hope all of you really enjoy, and at the same time, subscribe and share the channel. Right? I hope definitely you people doing it, and further also you do the same.